Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Dan jumpa lagi kita pada topik the next topic. So last topic kita dah belajar, we have learned about the numbering system and coding scheme. Okay, now this is the last topic in the topic number 1. Okay, last subtopic, which is logic gate and simple logic circuit. Okay, this video it consists of 2 parts, part 1 and the part 2. Okay, before we proceed to the chapters, at the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the logical operator. So the first thing first is a logical operator. You should know about the AND. You should know what is a OR, and you should know what is NOT, and their symbols and the operators. Okay, logical operators, symbols, which is gate, and their operations. Okay, to identify combinations of different gates, combination from the three gates, from the three logical operators and or not. Okay, we will combine two or more operators to become one gate. Okay, such as none, and no, XOR, and XNOR. Okay. The first thing is a Boolean expression. What is the Boolean expressions? Okay, Boolean expression, as we can see at the pictures there, they have equations. It's some sort of equations. Okay, some sort of equations. It involves the values, and all the expression is variables. Okay, only the variables and the operations. As you can see there is a E, which is, we call it as a variables. E, D, A, and B is a variables, and the operations is dot here, also dot here, and the operation is addition operations. This is addition operations, and the bar, the bottom of the A and B. There is a bar, so we call it as a bar. Okay, bar. Okay, logical operator consists of 3: AND, OR, and NOT. This is the basic logical operators. Okay, we're going to the logical operator. The first operator is AND operator. Okay, AND operator. Okay, for the Boolean expression for the AND operator. Okay, for the BE means I wrote as a BE. Okay, to make it short, for Boolean expressions. Okay, I just write BE only. So the BE for the AND, for example, there is a there is a output. Okay, output equal to, okay, this is a Boolean expression for the AND operator, A dot B. Okay, A dot B. Or we can write as a output equal to A B. Okay, and another way to write the AND operator is output equal to A and B. Okay, this is the form how to write the AND operator. Okay, now we're going to the truth table for AND operator. Okay, truth table, truth table. Which is after this I just use TT. Okay, TT. Okay, for the truth table AND operator, let's say the input is A and B and the output is here. Okay, so there is two inputs, which is A and B. Okay, and then the combinations of A, B start with 0, 0. The other one is 0, 1. The other one is 1, 0. And the last one will be 1, 1. This is the possible combinations for two inputs, A and B. Okay, this is for the possible combinations, 0 and 1s for two inputs. Okay. Let's find the output. Okay, let's find the output. A and B. Okay. Untuk memudahkan kamu, and ni, okay, this and operators is like multiply. It's like multiply. Okay, we can use as a multiplications from one number to another numbers. Okay, 0 times 0, it becomes 0. Okay, 0 times 1, it becomes 0. 1 times 0, it becomes 0. But 1 and 1, kamu tak boleh jawab 1 times 1. Okay, 1 and 1 is become 1. Samalah macam multiplications. Okay, samalah macam multiplications. Multiplications. Okay, there is a AND logic. Okay, this is AND logic. So we're going to the next is a OR logic. OR logic. Okay, let's see what is how to write the Boolean expression for OR logic. Okay, let's say I still use A and B as an input. Okay, A and B. So output will be output equal to A or B. That is the Boolean expression form. And then the other one is output equal to A union B. That is another ways how to write the logical OR in Boolean expressions. Okay, now we're going to the truth table. Okay, masih lagi A and B. Okay, this is for A. This is for A. And the other row is the other column for B. And the last column for output. Okay, still masih lagi 0 and 1. Start with 0, 0. Okay, another one is 0, 1. Another one is 1, 0. And the last one is 1, 1. So this is the maximum number. This is a minimum number. Okay. Baik, untuk OR operations. So dia menggunakan operations additions. Addition punya operations. Okay. So addition So kena ingatlah addition ni kita tambah. Kita tambah. So 0 plus 0. 0 or 0 is 0. 1 or 0 is 1. Okay. 1 or 0 is also 1. 1 plus 1. Not 2, but 1. Okay. This is a simple explanations about the OR logic. Now we're going to the last one is the not logic. Not logical nots. I mean not logical nots. Okay. Okay, actually the logical not is a complement of the input. It's the complement of the input. Okay. For example, for the Boolean expressions, so the output equal to A prime. Okay, equal to A prime. And the other way how to write the nots logical is the A bar. The other ones we can write as a A. So this is how we write the output for the Boolean expression, not logic. Okay, what is the truth table of for the not logic? Truth table dia simple saja. Okay, oleh kerana dia hanya ada satu input. Hanya ada satu input. Okay, not is a satu input. Dia tidak ada dua atau lebih daripada dua input. Dia hanya ada satu input saja, which is A saja. A is a variable. A variable. It can be anything. It can be anything. You can write A, X, Y, or Ali, or pisang goreng, or whatever variable you can choose. Okay, whatever you like variable. So saya hanya letak A di sini supaya seragam, mudah. Okay, A, and then this is an output. So if input 1 and then complement dia is a 0. If the input is 0, complement is will be 1. Itu saja. Okay, so saya harap kamu fahamlah. And about the nots, this is nots. This is OR. And the other one is AND. Okay. Now we're going to gates. Okay, logic gates and the truth table. So truth table tadi kita dah tengok the basic truth table yang saya tunjukkan tadi. So kita akan pergi detail lagi iaitu AND gate or gates, not AND gates, not OR gates, exclusive OR gates dan juga exclusive NOR gates. So ada 7 gates yang perlu kamu kena faham. Okay, kamu tengok So AND gates, okay, number 1. Tengok number 1. This one, number 1. Nama AND gate is a AND gate. Dia tak ada combination apa-apa. That is the basics. That is the foundation dia. And then number 2, OR gates, and number 3 also NOT gate. This is a basics. Okay, basic gates. But number 4, AND gates. AND gates is the combinations of a NOT gate plus AND gates. Okay, the combination of 2 gates become AND. Okay, become AND. The other one is NOR. Okay, NOR gates, the combinations of NOTs and OR. Okay, the combination of NOTs and OR. Then XNOR dan XNOR gates is a combinations of 2 OR and 2n. Nanti kita akan tengok Kita akan tengok. So the combination dia pelik sikit yang ini. Okay. Right, going to the AND gates. So this is the symbol for the AND gates. Symbol for the AND gate. So kamu kena ingat simbol dia adalah dalam bentuk D. Okay, simbol dia dalam bentuk D. So di sebelah at your left side is an input A and B. This is input. And at your right side is an output. This is output. And di tengah-tengahnya ada simbol D is a process. This is a process. Kita dah belajar information processing cycle, input, process and output. So this is the ni dia punya detail dia. So input A and B, which is the process is N. Okay. This is N process. Okay, this process. And it becomes produce an output, which is Y. The output as a Y. Okay. Now kita akan pergi pada pergi kepada dia punya table, truth table. Truth table saya tak perlu kat sini kot. Truth table saya dah masuk tadi. Okay. Okay, tak apalah, kita buat truth table sekali lagi lah. Okay, so truth table. Truth table. Since the input dia ada dua. Okay, A and B. So input ada, so kita buat kolom untuk A. Kolom untuk A. Dan kolom untuk B. Okay. Then kita nak keluarkan result dia, output as a result. So kita letakkan kolom yang ketiga is an output, or you can put as a result, or you can put as a Y. Okay. Right. So seperti yang saya ajar mula-mula tadi, there is a possible combinations of input A and input B, which is start from 0, 0. Okay, saya padam dulu yang ini. Okay, tengok betul-betul. This is input. Input, go to process and go to output. So input start with 0, 0. 0, 0 as an input. So dia akan proses, so Y become 0. Y become 0. Okay. Then another one, 0, 1. This is combination. The possible combinations is 0, 1. 0, 1. A, 0. Ini dah habis. Okay, dah habis sudah. A is a 0, B is 1. B is 1. Look here. B is 1, A 0. So 0 times 1 is a 0. Dia ada input 1, 0. Okay, habis. Sudah habis 0. And then the next input will be 1, 0, which is A is 1 and B is a 0. So the output will be 0. Okay, the last one is 1, 1. Okay, the last one is 1, 1. A, 1. B also 1. Okay, so the answer will be 1. Oh, sorry. 0 and 1. Okay, 1. So this is the scenario of the AND gates. The gates is like a D shape, and the output, the process is multiplications. Okay. Now going to the next OR gate. So the OR gate, we know that this is an input, this is a process or process, this is an output. Okay, kita dah buat tadi bahawa input proses dia adalah addition. Okay, additions. Okay, now kita akan tengok bagaimana dia bekerja. This one A as an input, B also input, and then Y. This is output. Okay, masih lagi 4 row. Okay. Baik, bagaimana kita nak buat 4 row ni? 1, 2, 3, 4. So senang saja. Kita ada input kita berapa? Ada 2. Which is A and B. A and B. So kita akan multiplication by 2. Sorry, power of by 2. Okay. 2 inputs. Okay. 2 inputs. 2 power of n. 2 power of n is becomes the rows. Okay. If there is a 2 input, so that means 2 power of 2 equal to 4 rows. If 3 inputs, so it become 8 rows. Okay. So start with 0, 0, end with 1, 1. Okay. 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So kita buat operation dia 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is example of OR gates. Okay, NOT gate. NOT gate input dia hanya satu saja. Jangan letak input lebih daripada satu. Salah. Okay. And then the process. Not process. Y as a output. Okay. So kalau ada berapa row kat sini? 2 power of n, 2 power of 1 equal to 2. Okay, ada 2 row saja. So kita akan buat 2 row sajalah. So what is the input? Input dia adalah A, satu saja, so satu column, and then followed by output Y. Okay, so dia ada 2 row saja. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2 row. So apa possible combination 1 and possible combinations of input? Of course, 1 ataupun 0. Itu saja. Okay. So kita tahu NOT gate is the complement. Complement is the complement. Okay. So apabila input dia 1, then output dia complement of 1 is 0. Apabila input dia 0 and complement of 0 is 1. Itu saja. Okay. Next. Okay, this is the example of NAND gates. NAND gates. We call it as a NAND gate. NOT and N. Okay, the combinations of NOT dan juga N gates. Okay, ada 2 gate menjadi satu. Okay, so tengok di sini. Dia ada input, process and output. Okay, input A and B. And the process. Tengok proses dia. Proses dia yang ini dah ada 2. Tengok gate number 1. This is gate number 2. Okay, gate number 1 dia ada 2 proses, iaitu AND dan juga NOT. Okay. So lastly is the output. Output dia adalah Y. Okay, so maknanya AB akan melalui proses N dahulu. Dah ada dua proses kat sini. And then the output of the NAB will be masuk ke dalam proses NOT. And finally, dia akan pergi ke output yang terakhir, which is Y. Okay, this is scenario for gate number 1. And then going to gate number 2, simple. So kita letakkan sahaja satu tanda bulat di sini. So itu menandakan dia adalah NAND gate. NAND gate. Okay, contoh. Okay, saya akan buat truth table. Truth table untuk NAND gate. So ada berapa input? Input ada 2. So ada berapa row? Row ada berapa sekarang? 2 power of 2 equal to 4. Ada 4 rows. So kita akan buatlah. So yang ini this is for input A. This is for input B. And this is for, okay, kita buat yang tu dulu. Dia ada 4 row kan? 4 row. So 1 row, 2 row, 3 dan 4 row. Okay. And then kita combine A, B. The possible combinations 1 and 0s. Start with 0, 0 and end with 1, 1. Okay, we put here is 0, 1 and the other one is 1, 0. Kena berlainan Kamu tak boleh ulang kombinasi yang sama dalam 4-4 ni. Okay, tidak boleh ulang kombinasi yang sama untuk keempat-empat rows ini. Okay. Baik, kita akan pergi kepada proses. So this is input. And then process. Itu proses. Okay, so proses dia ada AND dan juga NOT. AND dan juga NOT. One. Kita akan buat A and B di sini. Okay, this is process. Saya akan padam dulu ni. So proses. Okay, proses yang pertama is a AND. And then proses yang kedua dia akan jadikan NOT. So ada dua proses kat sini Okay, AND yang pertama ialah A and B. A and B, kita dah belajar tadi. A and B. Dan proses yang kedua ialah NOT. NOT AB. Kita akan buat NOT AB. Kita akan buat NOT AB. Nampak? Okay. A and B. This is the first process. Kita ambil yang rajah yang pertama ni. Rajah pertama. And the second one is not AB. Not AB. And then the final is a Y. Or output. Okay. Now we're going to the first process. First process. Second process. Okay. The first process is AND operations. A and B mean multiplications. Betul? Multiplication. So 0 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 0. 1 times 0 also 0. 1 times 0 is 1. Clear? Alright. Now we're going to the second process. Is not AB. Here. Not AB. Okay, we know that AB di sini. This is AB. This is AB. Then not AB means kita kena kita kena invertkan dia. Kita kena invert, complementkan dia. So maksud dia, if AB is a 0, then not AB is a 1. Okay. The other one is AB also a 0, also 0, then not AB is a 1. AB is a 0 juga, sama juga 0, and then not AB is a 1. AB is a 1. Okay, tengok betul-betul. AB is a 1, then not 1 is 0. Okay, boleh. Alright, so what is an output? The output dia yang inilah, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is output. Okay. This is for AND gate. Now we go into the NOR gates. NOR gate pun sama juga. So this is an input A and B, and this is process, and this is for output. Output dia adalah Y. So kita tengok gate yang pertama. Gate yang pertama dan gate yang kedua. Okay, gate yang pertama ni dia bunyi jalan kerja dia. And then gate yang kedua is a shortcut. Dan kalau you pandai terus saja buat shortcut, it's okay. Okay, untuk gate yang kedua ni dia sama juga macam OR gates, tapi dia ada bulatan kecil. Itu menandakan dia inverted. Okay, untuk gate yang pertama is combinations of OR gate and NOT gate. The combinations of OR gate and NOT gate. So kat sini untuk gate yang pertama dia ada dua proses lah. Proses yang pertama is OR and the second process is NOT. Okay, so cara dia sama juga. So kita tahu input ada dua. Okay, and then the row dia become 2 power of 2 is 4 rows. Okay. So input ada dua. A and B is an input. A, B. Okay. And then dia ada 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Kita dah buat tadi 4 rows. And then start with 0, 0, 1, 1. Kalau kamu nak start 1, 1 pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, yang penting sekarang combination dia berbeza-beza. Jangan kamu bila dah ada 1, 0, kamu letak lagi 1, 0 di bawah. No, tak boleh. Okay. So 0, 1, 1, 0. Alright, so kita buat yang ini. Kita ambil pada gate number 1. So gate number 1 dia ada dua proses, iaitu proses yang pertama, which is A plus B. This is OR. Okay. Sebetulnya saya nak tulis sikit kat sini. This is input. So this is process. And this is output. Okay. Proses yang pertama is a OR. Dan proses yang kedua is a NOT. A plus B. Kali ni saya buat simbol lain. A plus B bar. Okay, this is NOT. Okay, so kita kena guna banyak simbol, tapi maksud dia sama. And then this is Y. Y as an output. Okay. Alright, A plus B. A or B is a, kena ingat tadi, A or operator is a addition operations. Okay. 0 plus 0 is a 0. 1, 0 plus 1 is a 1. This is 1 and this is also 1. And when we inverted A or B, kita complementkan dia, it become 1, kita terbalikkan dia. Senang cerita, kita terbalikkan dia. Not is terbalikkan. Okay, not is terbalikkan. Yes, lebih mudah untuk kamu faham. Okay, 1 terbalikkan dia menjadi 0. 1 terbalikkan dia menjadi 0. 1 terbalikkan dia menjadi 0. So the output is 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, selesai masalah kita. Okay, next. Exclusive OR. Okay, exclusive OR ni dia ada special sikit, kamu kena hafal. Okay, kamu kena hafal dia punya combination dia. Okay. Untuk exclusive OR, untuk exclusive OR ni, exclusive OR is a digital gate with dia ada dua terlebih inputs, okay, two more inputs, tetapi dia ada syarat dia. Okey, dia ada syarat dia, iaitu syarat dia apa? Syarat dia ialah jika kedua-dua input dia adalah 0 ataupun jika kedua-dua input dia adalah 1, then output dia adalah false. Okey. So dia hanya akan ada true apabila input dia dalam gandaan ganjil. Input dalam gandaan ganjil. Okay, dapat tak? The exclusive OR. So kita boleh letak sini exclusive OR. Okay. Exclusive OR. So dia ada input, ada dua input A and B. Okay, contoh kita akan buat truth table. A, B, and then output. Okay, so dia ada 4 macam biasa. Because dia punya input dia adalah 2 sahaja. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Baik, untuk exclusive OR, apa tak syarat dia pertama? Okay, syarat dia, condition if input both same, sama ada 0 or 1, and the output is 0. Okay, condition. If input both same, sama ada 0, 0 or 1, 1. Okay, if A 0 and B also 0, and then the output is 0. Okay, and then if A1, look here, if A1 and the B also 1, same input. If there is a 3, there is 3 input. If the 3 inputs is same, so the output always 0, always false. Okay. N, when the output is true, if odd numbers of each input is true. Tengok Kalau input dia satu, dia bukan combine salah satu. Okay, jika input dia kalau kamu tengok dia ganjil. Input true yang ganjil. Dengan cerita. Input true yang in odd numbers. And then the output is a true. Okay. If input true dia dalam bilangan yang ganjil. Okay, dia ada once. Kita masuk lagi satu conditions. If input 1 is in odd number, then the output is true. or the output is 1. Okay, so there is two conditions. If the input same, if the input, all the input is same, 1 1 1 0 0 0, and then the output should be 0, false. If the input, if the true, if the input 1 is in odd numbers, okay, jika input 1 dia dalam jumlah yang ganjil, then the output is true, 1. Fahamkan betul-betul Ulang balik suara saya ni. Ulang balik. Okay, baik, kita tengok contoh. Baik, 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 1 ada 1. 1 is a odd number. Then the output is true ataupun 1. Faham Okay, satu lagi. 1, 0. 1, 0. 1, 0. Maksud dia, 1, true dia ada 1. Which is 1 is a odd number. Betul? And then the output is 1. This is exclusive OR gates. Sila fahamkan dengan betul selepas ni. Okay, next. XNOR gates. XNOR gate ni adalah terbalikkan daripada XOR gate tadi. Kita terbalikkan sahaja. Okay, kita terbalikkan saja. Okay, kita tengok macam mana kita nak buat. Okay, kita masih lagi dua input A and B. Kemudian dia ada, kita nak terbalikkan dia, mesti kita letak kat sini satu. Okay, A, B, and then kita ada 4 rows, which is input dia dulu mesti ada 4 rows. Start with, saya nak start with 1 1. Okay, and then di tepi ni kita akan buat exclusive OR dulu. Exclusive OR, kemudian yang di sini barulah kita buat exclusive NOR. Kita tahu NOR is a complement of XOR. Complement mean terbalik daripada XOR tadi. Okay, so kita buat XOR tadi, ingat balik. Kalau sama, then dia adalah false. Kalau sama, dia adalah false. Jika true dia dalam bilangan ganjil, so kita akan jadi true. Jika true dia dalam bilangan ganjil, kita akan letak true. And then, XNOR ni, XNOR yang saya tick ni, XNOR ni, so kita akan terbalikkan. Terbalikkan XOR, dapatlah jawapan untuk XNOR. And then terbalikkan 0, terbalikkan menjadi 1. 1 terbalikkan menjadi 0, 1 terbalikkan menjadi 0, and 0 terbalikkan menjadi 1. So, selesai kita punya masalah XNOR gates. Okay. Baik, saya minta kamu ulang balik XOR gates dan juga XNOR gates dalam video ini. Okay, habis sudah kita punya topik 1.4 part 1. Dan lepas ni saya minta kamu buat discussion questions page number 10. Okay guys, thank you.